Hello guys, welcome to Handmade by Shravs. I hope you're all doing well today. In this video, I'm going to show you a Christmas decor. I'm going to make a Christmas tree using inexpensive materials that I got from Dollar Tree. To make the body of the Christmas tree, you will need a poster sheet. I got this from Dollar Tree as well, and I measured it to 10 inches, but you can measure up to whatever length you want, and mark 10 inches on both sides from a corner of the poster board, and cut as shown in the video here. And you need to stick both edges. I'm using a glue gun to stick those two sides together to make a cone. Now that the structure of the tree is done, I'm going to decorate the tree. I'm going to cover the whole tree using a jute rope that I got from Dollar Tree. We just need to wind the rope around the tree. Make sure you don't leave any gaps, and periodically use a glue gun to stick the rope to the tree so it doesn't fall off. You can use macrame rope or any kind of fabric, any holiday themed fabric to do this. When you reach the bottom of the tree, make sure you secure the rope well with the glue gun. I'm done with covering the tree with the jute rope here. Now it's time to decorate. I found these tree ornaments from Dollar Tree, and they come two in a pack. I used 3 pieces for my tree. Depending on how big your tree is, you can use as many trees as you want. I used a glue gun to stick the trees onto the cone. I apologize for the aspect ratio here. I forgot to turn the camera. After sticking all the 3 tree ornaments onto the cone, I wanted to add some light feature to the cone. I found these Christmas trees with light up feature in Dollar Tree, and I thought I could use the light feature from here. It was easy to take the wiring apart. It came with a small star on the top. I could just pull it up, and it was connected to a wire, and the base had a switch to it, so it was fairly easy to take them apart. So I used the wiring and the star for the trees that I just glued onto the cone. The length of the wire was perfect for the tree ornaments that I just glued. So I put the star on top of the tree, and the wire across the tree too. The wire had like around 3 or 4 lights, which was enough for the small tree. And we can just tuck the base of the wiring where the switch is under the tree, so it just stays in place. And I used the same wiring for all the other remaining trees as well. And I found this star ornament also in Dollar Tree, and I decided to put it on the top of the cone. I used a small metal plate also purchased at Dollar Tree to keep my tree on it, and this is the final look. I hope you like this, and you can decorate as much as you want or as little as you want, and I hope you like this video. If you like DIY videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share my channel with your friends and family, and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Happy holidays, guys. Take care. Bye bye.